The FTW Ranch is not only the home of the SAM Training School, it's widely recognized in serious hunting circles as a world-class hunting destination for the big game enthusiast. Roaming the wild and rugged escarpments and valleys of the FTW Ranch are huge whitetail, as well as numerous introduced species from around the world, many of which can no longer be hunted in their native land. The FTW Ranch provides an ideal setting for wild game to thrive and grow as they would in their indigenous environment. SAM has always stressed hunter training as our primary goal, and what a better way to use your polished shooting skills than to attend our 4-day SAM Precision Hunt Combo. This package consists of 18 to 22 hours of SAM Safari intense training. The first day consists solely of SAM Safari training. The remaining days are split between SAM training midday and hunting in the AM and PM. This course is perfect for folks who would like to sharpen their skills by hunting and training at the same time. You'll have the opportunity to shoot approximately 140 to 160 rounds during your hunt combo training. Trophy fees and hunting seasons apply, so please refer to the FTW Available Animals listing for pricing and seasons. Our SAM Precision Hunt Combo is a very fast-paced and intense 4 days, but it is fun from start to finish.